So here I have an iPhone 15 Pro Max with the new iOS 26, and first of all you need to have the song and send it to your phone via WhatsApp. Second, the song needs to be only 30 seconds, because if it's more, you can set as a ringtone. Now, to set as a ringtone, just push and hold on the song, and here tap on forward, and now tap here on this little icon to share it, and here we have the option use as ringtone. Tap on it, and now your song is used as a ringtone. Okay. Also, you can do this via email. Just send your song via email. Tap on the share icon. Here, tap save to downloads. Now you need to go on your files to downloads, and here just push and hold on the song and tap share. And here we have the option use as ringtone. Okay, and here is the second song. Now, if you want to use one of those songs as a notification sound, here just go to sounds and haptics, and here we have ringtones and also text on, and tap on text on and go down. And here we have the two ringtones, and just set your song as a text message alert, and that's all. Also here you can change the ringtone if you want. So it is very easy. I hope this video to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.